Hey, what's up guys, this is the WoW Matrix guide, and in this video we're gonna show you how to get blue Proto Drake. And we start in Northrend, in Utgard Keep where the dungeon is, and we start set it on heroic, because otherwise the blue Proto won't drop. And in the dungeon, if you are level 90, you can drop most of the mobs and both bosses. And you can see here we walk by, but I pulled the mob and just went through and take it in one group. So we just do that in 2 seconds. And then we kill the mobs. The highest health rate of the mobs is a bit over 100k, but it's not that much. So you can also take it at level 85. But here we are at first boss, and we just skip it because it doesn't give you anything. You can sell the gear for highest 3G, 5G or something. But now we go upstairs and take these mobs. Also not difficult, but here we are at second boss, that you need to start a little red ball here to start the boss, but we also skip this one. You can also skip these mobs if you go out on the sides, but we just walk straight through. And then we start the third boss, where blue Proto drops, and you take the mobs that want towards you, and just take all the mobs. Here in the end, you need to take these harpoons, because you need to shoot the boss down with them when he come up there. You can see in 2 seconds. And there also come 2 mobs recently, and then we shot him down with 3 harpoons, and we just kill him. He doesn't do anything special, and we didn't get it this time, but